Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Wednesday and we have a 3-layer cake. The first sweet layer is our 5 routines. They're going to make us feel in control. The first one is our morning routine. We're going to do our morning routine followed by our children's morning routine. Remember that morning routine is not difficult and it's not complex. You get up and make your bed, you go in the bathroom, you wash your face, brush your teeth, fix your hair, put on some moisturizer. If you wear makeup, put on makeup. If you wear jewelry, put on jewelry. Get your clothes on, put your pajamas away, wipe the sink out, swish the toilet. That sounds like a lot of work. Don't lie to yourself. It is nothing. It is so easy to get that done. Go out of that bathroom, into the kitchen, empty the dishwasher. Time yourself. It doesn't take forever. It takes very little time. And then, or maybe before, start some coffee or make breakfast. Now, you are dressed, you look nice, you smell nice, the bathroom looks nice, the kitchen is all ready, we have the smell of breakfast is starting or coffee. Now you can go in and wake your babies up and put them through their little morning routine of making their bed, washing their face, brushing their hair, putting their clothes on, wiping out the toothpaste from the sink, leaving the bathroom the way it looked when they came in, putting their PJs away, coming into the kitchen and having a little breakfast. Don't make this harder than it has to be. It's very simple, and this is what's going to give you control. All right, second, that was the first. The second normal everyday routine is if you are staying at home and not going off on a payroll position, but you're staying at home, working at home with your children. Now, if you're working at home as a payroll employee, you're not going to do this. You're going to get to work. Take that seriously. But if you're staying at home and you're working as a mother in your home, then you're going to start your laundry. That's number 2. And while the laundry is washing itself, you're going to go through an inch of paper. If you're working, you're not going to do this until you get home in the afternoon. Okay? Next, we're going to do our after dinner routine, which is after we've eaten supper. Very simple. Everybody joins in. You give the children one little job and you do a few little jobs. Get it all done. Make yourself happy, make the kids happy, enjoy your time together. And then when it's over, your kitchen's clean and shiny and everyone's been fed and the dishes are in the dishwasher. Hooray! All right? And then we've got our before bed routine when you're tired or when the babies have to go to sleep. You know, you start them off a half hour before they need to be in the bed. And that would include their bath and brushing their teeth and washing and combing their hair. And if they wash their hair, then you're going to, if it's a little girl, you're going to help her with her long hair. Put on their pajamas, putting their dirty clothes away, hanging up their towel. If they can't reach the towel rack, shame on you. Put a hook on the wall so they can reach it. Make them feel like they have accomplished something. Don't give them unrealistic expectations. They can't hang the towels up if there's not a place to put them, okay? And then put them in the bed with the story that they picked out. Oh, I forgot to tell you, before you do any of that, they have to pick up their toys. Yes, they do. You're not picking them up, they're picking them up, but you're going to guide them through it because you are the happy cop. So you're going to help them get it done by guiding them through, okay? And then you're going to lay down next to them in the bed or sit in the chair next to them and read them a story. And then they're going to go to sleep, okay? Then you're going to get yourself ready, and you're always going to check your planner. As you all know, I use an Erin Condren planner. Now my Erin Condren planner cover is Give Thanks with a Grateful Heart. And this is for the Thanksgiving series time, so that's what I've got my cover on. I'm excited for Thanksgiving, and when I see people on TV making Thanksgiving things, the little cooks and things, it makes me happy. I hope it makes you happy too. All right, next we're going to get on with our zone. Okay, so those are your routines. Next is the zone. We're in zone 3, the bathroom and one other room. So you only have 4 days to work in your zone. Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Tuesday is your free day. So yesterday you took care of yourself and you didn't work in your zone. Today you're going to work in your zone for 10 minutes. If it has to be decluttered, 15 minutes. If you work, you're going to do it when you come home. If you don't work, you're going to do it, I mean, I know you're working, but if you're not a payroll fly baby, you're going to do it right after you've gone through your inch of paper. You're going to just go one thing after the other, like a waterfall, like down the stairs, like a ball down the stairs. Get it done. And when it's done, you have time to enjoy the rest of the day doing whatever you want. Okay, so we're going to work in our bathroom or one other room. Pick one and do one thing. Ideally, you've put it in your planner and you know what you're going to do in that room today. Okay? That's what you're going to do. Don't argue with yourself. Do it. Get it done. Complete the process. And then we're going to work on what today is. Today is Wednesday. This is our planning and desk day. If you're working, before you go out of the house today, take a look in your fridge, your pantry, and your freezer. Get an idea of what you need, what you have, so that at work you can make your list, a menu, and make a grocery list. You can check your balance, you can balance your checkbook, you can look for anything fraudulent and to make sure nothing bad is happening, and you can make sure you're staying in your budget. If you're staying home, you're going to do all that at home, okay? And then get everything ready for tomorrow, because tomorrow is errand day. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I want you to always remember that you are beautiful.